everyone, today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then tap on the security section. Here just tap on the more settings and tap into the encryption and credentials. Head down, just tap here to set SIM 1 lock, and here as can you see we got the enable the SIM pin code on our SIM card. So just to remove the pin code, tap here once on the switcher, and to unlock your SIM enter the currently password. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and now just tap to OK, and as can you see we just remove the SIM pin from our SIM card. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.